matters of privilege.
What do you want to... Go ahead.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for giving me the opportunity. I wish to draw the attention of Mr. Speaker and the House that on the 26th of August, 2025, I wrote a letter to Mr. Speaker, the House of Representatives, as well as a letter to the Attorney General of the Federation and a letter to Mr. President, urging for the urgent intervention request the deteriorating health conditions of my constituent, Mazi Nnamdikanu.
Okay.
Up until today, Mr. Speaker, I have yet to receive any response from Mr. Speaker, from Mr. President, and from the Attorney General, despite the deteriorating health of Mazi Nnamdikanu, whom has been evaluated by his own team of doctors and came up with a report which was attached to the letter that was submitted to Mr. Speaker and to the President and as well to the Attorney General. Second evaluation has been conducted by the Nigerian Medical Association, and the results even further confirms the deteriorating health of Mazi Nnamdikanu, that he has organ deficiencies, low potassium, and that he is, as we speak, on the verge of death. Mr. Speaker, at the instruction of the court instructed in 8 days for the Nigerian Medical Association to also do their own assessment. So there are 3 reports now, Mr. Speaker, all leading to the same direction. I quote the judge. The judge says it's only a man who is alive and living can stand trial. Mr. Speaker, this is not politics or any other thing, but it is a fundamental human right that should be ascribed to Mazi Nnamdikanu. Most other people in that gap have been given opportunities to even travel overseas to seek medical attention. Mazi Nnamdikanu is neither convicted of any crimes in Nigeria and must be protected under the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So, Mr. Speaker, a lot of progress has been made in order to see that the government does the right thing to be able to afford Mazi Nnamdikanu the urgent treatment that he needs. It's significant, Mr. Speaker, if otherwise.
My dear honorable colleague.
Yes, sir.
I do not see where your privilege is conflicted here.
I have not received a letter that I wrote to the Speaker. I'm a member of the House, and my office deserves a response, whether it's positive or not. But as a member, and the letters were received by your office on the 27th of August, right here.
Is the letter you wrote to Mr. Speaker's office just a notification?
Not a notification,
or a demand for a certain action to be taken?
Yes, we requested for a certain action, which was to intervene in the medical condition of Mazi Nnamdikanu, whom is now, his health condition is deteriorating.
If it is something specific to the office of the Speaker, Honorable, I find it a little bit intriguing that you will come by way of a privilege to demand action to be taken.
Mr. Speaker, the letter was written.
The Speaker that you have direct access
Mr. Speaker, the letter was written since August 26th.
You have direct, unfettered, Honorable.
Yes, sir.
Unfettered access to my office. This is not the kind of thing that I would expect that will come by way of privilege.
It is a matter of privilege.
If it is something beyond you, from the outside, but if it is something that is a letter written to my office, you know, a phone call from you, a visit to my office can solve the problem. So I don't think if...
Mr. Speaker, I've been to your office, Mr. Speaker.
So you mean
I've
you
also
have
submitted the letter,
all
Mr. Speaker.
options and opportunities. You couldn't see me except here.
I've come to your office, Mr. Speaker. We just resumed today.
I don't think
we just resumed today, Mr. Speaker. And it's very important, Mr. Speaker.
Please, Honorable.
Order, please.
Honorable, please.
Please be guided.
Step it down because it is not the right thing to do.
Yes.
Please, I beg you. Step it down.
Please be guided.
Mr. Speaker,
please be guided.
Mr. Speaker, it's a matter of life and death.
Please,
Obi Aguocha, please be guided.
I am trying to tell you the procedure.
Of the House, Mr.
This
Speaker.
is not right. Step it down and see me if you want any action concerning any letter you have written to me. You don't need
Mr.
to go
Speaker,
by way of this.
Obi Aguocha, please be guided.
Excuse me, sir. The House rules allows me the latitude to bring an issue of privilege to this House and to the attention of Mr. Speaker. And it is important, Mr. Speaker, that this House
only when your
takes
privilege
cognizance
is compromised
of the issue of Mazi Nnamdikanu.
that you can bring it up. And I thought that particular position is talking in respect of instances where the issues is beyond your control. But this is not what a letter from yourself to me.
Yes, sir. The
When
letter
you
is here.
have, as a member,
Mr. Speaker.
direct access to come to my office and seek for explanation.
Mr. Speaker,
why?
I've been
Why
to
do
your
you
office.
have to go through this?
I've been to your office to seek
over-arguing with the Speaker.
Please.
Excuse me, sir. Can you read the order book, Rule 6 and subsection 2, to know that I also have the right.
Honorable, please, you are ruled
privilege.
out of order. You are ruled
You
out
don't
of
shut
order. You
me
can sit
down.
down, please.
I have to. You are ruled out of order, please. Listen to the government.
Mr.
Listen to the
Speaker,
government, please.
Mr. Speaker,
I'm also from Abia State on the issue that is being raised.
Okay, the announcement.
We will present it before the House properly in the course of the week. I understand the pain, the heart of the representative with regards to the subject matter of Nnamdikanu. But we will come properly before the House so that proper hearing will be given to it. I beg that you give us the audience, maybe tomorrow or next tomorrow, we come to present it again.
No problem at all. It's just the procedure.
Una afugo here this representative who represent the constituency Mazi Nnamdikanu na Abia State. Ugo ka o si wela acha ọkụ ka ọ maa na a ga-eweta the hearing in that place na the chamber. But if the back and forth to do that place, but ene na ya mala ihe emecha me at last. Na bi ije Nnamdikanu a ụlọ kata na-ajụ onwe m ọ na ndị Nigerian gọọmenti afọ ife mere na the case of Simon Ekpa and fa kenekpele ndị Finland they understand me but still yet eji Nnamdikanu ọ bụrụ that na nwere ife ejigwe ejide na ese try ya anya ama no ife anụ na convince you and no ife a ka eji maka ya wee convince then amala the problem mana nke a ife a na-eme back and forth a enwere isi